One of the most common questions asked by science students is, which computer course must I do? It is not necessary for students to enroll for a year-long unit just in order to work with computers. While most schools will introduce you to the use of computers within the undergraduate curriculum, the Faculty of Science has also introduced a compulsory but non-credit-bearing computer literacy assessment or course. Details about the course can be found in the undergraduate information booklet or from the Faculty of Science website, web.wits.ac.za/academic/science/science.htm. Please note that entry into certain units in the Faculty of Science is limited, i.e., there are limitations on the number of students who can be accommodated into these units. For example, in order to major with physics, one must have obtained at least 60% in physical sciences and 70% in mathematics at the NSC level, or at least 50% for physical science and 60% for mathematics, both on higher grade, at the matriculation level or equivalent. More details can be found in the enrollment guide. Be aware that if you attempt units with limitations, you may not be permitted to repeat those units. If you encounter any of these limitations in your choice of units, please refer to a faculty officer or a student advisor. We hope that this presentation has given you some idea of the importance of A, making the right choices of units, and B, planning your curriculum with an eye on the skills and qualifications that you wish to graduate with. Following this video, you will proceed with curriculum planning. Queue at the Faculty Help Desk, clearly labeled Station 1, and collect your curriculum planning form and an undergraduate information booklet. You will need your proof of acceptance letter from the university and a valid identity document for this. Check this form for the following: your names, your person number, your grade 12 or equivalent results. Under curriculum for program should appear SB0000. If you have any general questions at this stage, ask one of the faculty officers, and they will ask you what your intended major is and direct you to the relevant school desk. Proceed to the desk of the school in which you wish to do your major subjects. They will sign you up for your major subject and will be able to advise you on possible combinations of other subjects. At the desk, you will be given a page that explains the subject combinations available within the school. Keep this information with you to assist with future curriculum planning. Make sure that they fill in the unit code, the unit description, and timetable slot A to E, and sign your form. Next, proceed to the other desks to obtain signatures for the other units for which you wish to enroll. Check that your units are in different timetable slots. If there are long queues at a specific desk, try to complete the rest of the form first. Posters around the hall might help you answer some of the questions before you reach the desk. Exit the hall and proceed to the Student Enrollment Center to complete the enrollment process. You will be given an enrollment form to complete, and the student helper will assist you by attaching your curriculum planning form to the enrollment form. You would have received an enrollment guide with your firm offer letter. Read through it carefully and make sure you bring all the necessary requirements to the enrollment. After enrollment, all students get a Wits student email address. All correspondence from faculty, including enrollment and end-of-year results, are sent to this address. It is important for students to check their emails on a weekly basis. To log in, go to my.wits.ac.za. Username, your student number. Password, your South African ID number or your passport number. Email address, your student number at students.wits.ac.za. A science degree at Wits opens up a wide range of exciting and worthwhile career paths. Making the right choices that balance your interests and academic abilities with the needs of our developing society is something that starts now. Please take the opportunity to speak to staff both today and during your studies to make sure that you choose the best path for you. Once again, welcome to Wits and good luck.